Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the Seagull, Godin, Dulcimer M4. In this video we are tuned G, the string nearest your chin, D, the middle string, and G on the two octave strings below. So that's G, D, G. So let's get started. In this video I will be showing you some George Formby ukulele techniques on this dulcimer. So let's get started. We will be using a G chord only. So up here there is a G chord and the strum is like this. It's down through all the strings, catch the bottom one, tap the top. So it's down, catch, tap, down, catch, tap, down, catch, tap. Again it's down, catch the bottom string, tap the top string. To count that, there are two movements to this song. You do that one twice, then a down up. So one bar is that's down, catch, tap, down, catch, tap, down, up. That's down, catch, tap, down, catch, tap, down, up. Again, one bar is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. One more time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So now we'll play 4 bars of that strum. Again, we're just using a G chord up here. So the first bar, bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4. Obviously when you play it you don't leave the pauses, and it's like this. One more time after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll try that again after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I hope you found that video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up. For more information on Blackpool Music School, see the description below. Until next time, take care and goodbye.